Welcome to the English AcadeMe Junior Student Board. During this tutorial, we will take you to navigate this interactive course with high educational value through the magic of movies. To log in, students will write their username and password and click on Enter. Once they log in, students will have access to extensive movie content from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Sony, etc. Students will have 5 movies per level and 6 lessons per unit. During these 6 lessons, students will be interacting with the movie and learning the vocabulary and structures of the language. By clicking on the circles on the map, we will have access to the lessons of the unit. Each lesson contains different activities that will keep the student hooked throughout the entire process while enjoying the magic of the movies. The students will be able to see the instructions for the activity they must perform at all times. It is important that when answering the questions, the correct use of capital letters and punctuation marks is made. At the end of the unit lessons, the student will have a challenge where they will practice what they saw during the unit through interactive activities related to the movie. During this challenge, we seek to activate the student's knowledge and put it into practice. Additionally, the students will be able to practice their pronunciation while having a fun time singing to the rhythm of the movie soundtrack. The student will have access to the most popular Disney songs and the lyrics of the song. Students will be able to access their progress. To see it, click on the avatar and then click on Progress. The student will be able to see the units they have completed and their connection time. Now you are ready to let yourself be carried away by the magic of movies while having an experience of high educational value.